Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen, where I will bring you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back. Today on the chopping block, we're going to be making the best beef porterhouse steak on earth, along with smothered potatoes with the onions and all. And these are going to be some charcoal steak. So what I did was I took some ghee butter. You don't have to use it if you got some spray butter or some regular melted butter like stick butter. You can put that on there. This is tastes way better than regular butter, so that's why I use the ghee butter. I put some like a quarter teaspoon of onion powder. I put a sprinkle of cumin. Put a quarter teaspoon on both sides of some pink sea salt. Then I went and put some rosemary, ground it up. I always ground all of mine up and put it back in the can, and I put some of that on there. So that was like a quarter teaspoon of that. I put a quarter teaspoon black pepper, and I put a quarter teaspoon of thyme. Okay, and that's all I did. All right. So I'm gonna put these in the oven for about, I don't know, it just depends on how fast they get done. These about an inch thick, so I might put them in there. I can't really tell you. I'll give you the time, okay? Because if I just tell you this certain time and then they come back, I don't want to lie to you or nothing like that. So, but I did spread some of this ghee butter, like I said, on top of it after I put the seasoning on it, and let it rest for about an hour. Okay, you see it sweating a little bit right here. That's because the salt that's on it, it brings all the juices up, okay? So you always want to become room temperature when you cook any steaks, okay? And then you want to let it rest for about good 10 to 15 minutes. Because if you notice when you cook steak, it'll be sweating on the top. Because all the meat come together and it presses against each other like this, right? And all the juices come up, it forces the juices to come up. So you just want to let it sit and rest, and it'll come back down. And while it's resting, you can take you some butter or whatever, you can put it on there, and it'll seep right in there with it, okay? That's how you get that steak that you can cut with a fork. So that's what you need to do. Alright, the smothered potatoes, I'm going to cheat on this. I got my deep fryer going. I'm going to cook these to they a little al dente, and then I'm going to put them in a skillet, okay, and cook them the rest of the way. Put a little water, onion, a little ginger and garlic paste in it, and black pepper, some sea salt, and maybe yeah, that's about it. Maybe some onion powder. That's it. So I'll see you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to put your potatoes in here. Make sure they're dry, mostly dry. Alright. Make sure ain't no water in there. It's going to fry loud, so be careful. Blow it down into the nice and juicy. Okay. See how that bubbles up? Just because it still has water in it, okay? So we're just going to let that cook for about 3 minutes, because it's pretty nice size, okay? We're going to let that cook for about 3-4 minutes, and then we're going to take them out, and then we're going to start smothering them. See you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back over here. Just going to take our steaks, put them on this bottom rack, because I got it cooking on high, and I don't want it to get burned too fast. I'm just going to let that cook. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, we're just going to check on these potatoes. About how you want them right there. So we're going to take these bad boys out. So I don't want them crispy or nothing, I want to smother them, right? So I'm going to take this up out of there. What I call cheating. Yeah, I cheat sometimes. Alright, you unplug that. You got those look just like that. Alright, we're gonna let some of that grease drain out a little bit. Start my stove up. My eye rather. Put that on probably 4 so it'll be medium low. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, got them in there. I'm just gonna put a little seasoning salt on it. This is by Morton, all purpose. I try not to get carried away. I really don't like seasoning salt that much, but this just takes me back to when I was younger, when my mom used to cook. Some Lorry's. Black pepper. Just like that. Then I got to cut this onion up and put that in there. I'll be back in a second. Okay guys, cut these onions up in half. I'm just going to throw these up in there. Now you can saute them if you want to. Just like throwing mine in there like that. I'm hoping they don't want none. Yeah, put the onions in there. I think the boy here still eat it. Girl, I don't think she like the onions too much. Okay, I think I got a little bit left. Like that. Take this garlic and ginger paste. Put a little of that in there. Just like that. Just mix it up. Yeah. Mix it up. If I put them onions in there first, then it'll be getting burned and all that stuff at the bottom. So you can saute yours though. I'm gonna put some foil in. Okay, you already put the water in there. You want to smother it, right? So you got to put some on over it. Foil. That's all. And you turn that bad boy down. To simmer. So we're gonna let this simmer. Shake it up a little bit, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. That is done. Just gonna top this off. Now this is like about, I don't know, about 7 to 8 different ways I make this. I'm just going to top it off, just give it a little coloring. Put some parsley. So, make it look pretty. That's it. It don't taste like nothing. Keeping it real with you. Now, I did put a little butter on it. I opened it back up and put a little butter on it. But that's all I did. Okay? And the steak's been cooking so far for 5 minutes on one side. That's why I put it at the bottom, so it won't cook as fast. Let's see if we can check on that. That's the steak. Okay, we're going to put this at the top now. I'm going to let it cook for about 2 minutes on that top. Then I'm going to flip it over and I'll do 5 minutes on the other side. And Actually, I won't have to do 5 minutes, probably about 3 minutes. Alright? I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. The steak, total cooking time was about 10 minutes. Okay, it didn't take that long on the other side. So I just wanted to give it a good char on it. Then I put some A1 steak sauce on it. Garnish it a little bit with a little parsley. And I've garnished my smothered potatoes with onions with a little parsley. Okay, so if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel. Tell all your friends and family to tune in to Veldog's Kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking.